The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a blowing dust warning for Talon County, Hartley County, until 5 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a wall of dust was along the line extending from near Clayton to 10 miles west of Dalhart, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, less than a quarter-mile visibility with strong wind in excess of 80 miles per hour. Source, public. Impact, dangerous, life-threatening travel. Locations impacted include Dalhart and Jennings. The storms led to dangerous driving conditions.
Another day, another thunderstorm.
This one seems to have been problematic, though.
Sure, I guess. That's a bit funny, don't you think?
I don't know what it smells like.
Like smoke,
Probably be air quality from all the time.
I suppose. Well, let's go inside before we die of asphyxiation.
Guys, there's a fire. Is anybody inside? What the fuck? Our whole neighborhood caught on fire. I live on West 9th Street and just everything's on fucking fire. Houses, cars, everything. Me and a few others are running, but there's nowhere to escape.
Evacuate. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Dalhart Fire Department. The fire is spreading throughout the town. Winds are 80 miles per hour. Fuels everywhere. There is no time to prepare. Evacuate. Now.
I'm just walking through this. I'm just walking through. I managed to survive. I'm covered in ashes and everything. And there's literally no firefighters out here. I don't even hear any sirens. I heard more people scream than I heard sirens. I haven't heard a single siren. Why weren't we told of this? This came out of nowhere. Like, everything is burned. Everything's gone. There's nothing left. There's no, like, this neighborhood doesn't even exist anymore.